Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to install Microsoft 365 on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On the latest version of ChromeOS, we get the option to integrate Microsoft 365 on our Chromebook. For that, first of all, you have to make sure you are on the latest version of ChromeOS. Simply open Settings application, click on About ChromeOS and update your Chromebook to the latest version of ChromeOS. After that, simply click on Launch icon and here simply open Explorer application. And here you should get the option to integrate Microsoft 365 with Chromebook. If you're not getting the option, then you can simply scroll down to the Get Started section. And here on the latest Spotlight, click on Show All Spotlights. And here you will get the option to install Microsoft 365 to your Chromebook. However, if you're not able to find Microsoft 365 option on the Explorer page, then you can simply click on the search icon and here search for Microsoft 365 and here you will get the option. Simply click on it. Now scroll down and here you will find Setup option. Simply click on Setup. Now click on Get Started and finally click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will find an option to connect Microsoft OneDrive. For that, click on Connect to OneDrive. Now log into your Microsoft account and accept the permission to connect OneDrive to ChromeOS. Now you can easily open and use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint files on your Chromebook. So to exit the setup, simply click on Done. Now to access Microsoft 365 application, click on App Launcher icon and here you will find Microsoft 365 application. Simply click on it and now from here you can simply select Microsoft Office application like Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Also it will integrate OneDrive with your Chromebook Files application. For that, simply open Chromebook Files application and here you will find Microsoft OneDrive application. From here you can simply open your OneDrive files and document. Also, if you want, you can upload document to OneDrive. So that's it. This is how you can install Microsoft 365 on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.